Hey friends, if you encounter the kernel auto boost invalid lock release blue screen of death error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to unplug all peripherals. How would you do, and why are we unplugging peripherals? Why? Because peripherals like printers, scanners, camera, etc. push their own drivers to the system, and these drivers conflict with the regular drivers of the computer, and this conflict causes problems which lead to the blue screen of death error. So try unplugging peripherals before anything else. The next one is a clean boot on your system. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and click on system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable or apply, OK, and then restart your computer. The next solution is to update drivers. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options. Select optional updates and install the optional updates. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.